The human ear, structure and function. The ear is one of the most sensitive and complex organs of the human body. It plays a crucial role in detecting, transmitting, and transducing sound waves into neural signals, allowing us to perceive auditory information. Additionally, the ear is vital for maintaining balance and spatial orientation. Structure of the human ear. The human ear is anatomically divided into three main parts: external ear, middle ear, and inner ear. Each part of the ear has distinct structures that work in coordination to facilitate hearing and balance. First, let's talk about external ear. The external ear consists of the following components. Auricle or pinna. The auricle is a cartilaginous structure covered by skin. Its funnel-like shape helps to collect and direct sound waves into the ear canal. The lobule, located at the lower part of the auricle, contains adipose and fibrous tissues with an extensive blood supply. External auditory meatus. This is a slightly curved canal composed of cartilage in its outer section and bone in its inner section. The canal is lined with stratified epithelium and wax glands that produce earwax, which protects the ear from dust and microorganisms. Tympanic membrane or eardrum, a thin cone-shaped membrane that separates the external ear from the middle ear. It vibrates in response to sound waves, amplifying them before transmitting them to the ossicles. The central part of the tympanic membrane is known as the umbo. Middle ear. The middle ear is an air-filled cavity that serves as a bridge for sound transmission. It includes tympanic cavity, a narrow chamber that houses the ear ossicles. It is separated from the external ear by the tympanic membrane and from the inner ear by a bony wall. Eustachian tube, a 4 centimeter long passage that connects the middle ear to the nasopharynx. It plays a crucial role in equalizing air pressure on both sides of the tympanic membrane, ensuring optimum hearing. Ear ossicles, the smallest bones in the human body, responsible for transmitting sound vibrations from the tympanic membrane to the inner ear. These include malleus or hammer, the largest ossicle attached to the tympanic membrane and connected to the incus or anvil, positioned between the malleus and stapes, aiding in sound transmission. Stapes or stirrup, the smallest bone, underline, the smallest bone in the body, transmitting vibrations to the oval window of the cochlea. Inner ear. The inner ear consists of two main components. Bony labyrinth. The bony labyrinth is a complex structure filled with perilymph and includes vestibule, a center chamber that connects the cochlea and the semicircular canals. Semicircular canals, three looped structures oriented in different planes, crucial for balance and movement detection. Cochlea, a spirally coiled structure containing the organ of Corti, the primary receptor for hearing. Membranous labyrinth. Enclosed within the body labyrinth, the membranous labyrinth is filled with endolymph and contains cochlear duct, houses the organ of Corti, which converts sound vibrations into neural signals. Semicircular ducts contain sensory receptors for detecting head movements. Saccule and utricle, sensory organs responsible for detecting linear acceleration and head position. Functions of the human ear. The ear performs two primary functions. Hearing. The hearing mechanism involves a series of well coordinated steps. Sound waves enter the auditory canal and strike the tympanic membrane, causing vibrations. The vibrations travel through the ossicles and reach the oval window. Movement of the oval window generates waves in the perilymph of the cochlea. The waves stimulate the hair cells in the organ of Corti, converting mechanical vibrations into electrical impulses. These impulses are transmitted to the brain via the auditory nerve, where they are interpreted as sound. Balance and equilibrium. The ear also plays a crucial role in maintaining body balance, which is regulated by eustachian tube, maintains air pressure equilibrium within the middle ear. Vestibular complex includes the semicircular canals, saccule, and utricle, which contain specialized sensory receptors that detect head movements and spatial orientation. So, the human ear is a highly specialized organ responsible for hearing and balance. Its intricate structure, comprising the external, middle, and inner ear, ensures efficient sound transmission and equilibrium. Understanding the anatomy and function of the ear highlights its importance in daily life and emphasizes the need for proper ear care to prevent auditory and balance related disorders. Thank you and bye bye.